power pour. Guys, it is time. I know you have been waiting for me to do a big Dutch pour on a big and large canvas. So we're gonna do that today. I'm very excited. I mixed a lot of white because we need a lot of white here. And so the power pour for everybody who is new on my channel is I'm giving you the power to decide what I'm gonna do every month. So let me know in the comments which technique, which colors, which size you want me to do. I will make a list of 5 and make a little poll and you can vote for the one you want me to do. So this month it's the big Dutch pour. We're gonna tackle this. I've used on like 80 by 80 canvases. So what is that, like 30 by 30, 32 by 32 inches, and I did it differently. So I made sort of stripes and blowed them out, but you want me to do a Dutch pour, so I need to do puddles. But I'm gonna make 3 puddles diagonal, and yeah, let's see what happens here. I've got sort of ocean colors. I always like them, so let's be safe on that side. We put a new table plate on here because the other one was too small, and yeah, I'm just very excited to get started, so let's go. Okay, I'm working here on a 24 by 24 inches canvas or a 60 by 60 centimeters. So first I'm gonna make a white base. Let's see how much we need. So, okay, blowing that out. Okay, we have a lot of air bubbles, so okay, let me think for a moment. Yeah, I'm gonna make 3 puddles and I'm starting with this Phtalo green. Then let's go with a little bit of this permanent green. Then permanent blue or primary blue. Some white I'm gonna pour in there, but first gold. Like that, and then around this. I'm gonna blow the white over the colors on low speed. Okay, just a little bit white here. And now I'm gonna blow it out. And I don't know if I need to use the low speed or the high speed on this one, but I'm gonna start with the low speed. I would like to have it a bit more like that. But there needs to go something a bit more this way. And yeah, I'm gonna do that like. Okay guys, I'm gonna torch this because I know there's a lot of gold under here somewhere. Well, I really like the flow of this. That's beautiful. So I must say I love this composition, but I don't like this part and also not this part. So I'm gonna retouch that. I'm just gonna get this off. Just pour a little white. Wait. Now let's take off this part. Some white. Yeah, I can keep working on this because retouching it, just making the little puddles a little prettier, more natural. But I love this. It turned out so good and I was so nervous. And I love here that you only see really the gold, it's in the middle. It's exactly in the middle here. Maybe we need here this more going this way and this more that way to make a really beautiful composition. But you know what? I don't want to overwork the canvas because then the colors become muddier. And now it's so vibrant, which I love. So let's stop here. Yeah, let's stop here, because otherwise I will do something and I know already that or it will go so well and I'm so happy, but I think 90% that I will be sad, oh, why did you do that? Because now it's very pretty. Yeah, sometimes I need to stop being that much of a perfectionist in my paintings, and this is gorgeous and turned out good. I'm so happy. Yeah, this is gorgeous. 24 by 24 large canvas. It turned out pretty. I love these colors all together. Composition is great. Alex was saying it's sort of a big White and Bright series painting. Yeah, it is, but it goes over the edges, so we're covering it all. And I think this is a good way to tackle a big canvas. I leave a lot of negative space, but especially on a big canvas, I love that a lot. And the colors stayed so vibrant. I'm so happy. Guys, so let me know what you want me to do for the next power pour. Comment with your techniques, sizes, colors, whatever. And maybe I will do your comment next month. Thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.